All right, folks, welcome here. Today we're going in a little bit different direction. I'm not smoking anything, I'm baking. I don't bake a lot. I actually don't really enjoy baking, but I'm decent at it. I make really good cinnamon buns. I'm known for that. We've sold probably 50,000 of those in the last couple of years. But today is Fudge Brownie. Yeah, I'm gonna show you how we do it. You can make it at home. Simple game. First, you're going to take eight eggs in a small, medium-sized bowl like this. Crack them. Set the eggshells aside. We keep these eggshells for our garden. All right, after you got your 8 eggs in there, you're gonna take 4 teaspoons of vanilla. I usually just count to 4 fairly quickly and put it in there. Okay, so the next thing you're gonna do is canola oil. You're gonna need a few measuring cups. All right, you're gonna need 1 1/3 cup of canola oil. I can't see the writing on here. There we go. 1 1/3 cup. Just mix it well. Dry ingredients time. We are gonna do 2 2/3 cup of flour. All right, 1 1/2 cup of cocoa. 3 1/2 cups of sugar. I know sugar is usually a wet ingredient, but not today. Teaspoon of salt. And 2 teaspoons of baking powder. All right, simply just mix it. All right, when that's mixed, add your wet ingredients. Mix it around, don't overmix it, just so it's smooth and consistent, chocolatey awesomeness. All right, once you got it all nice and mixed in, some paper towel or whatever. Take your canola oil and just lightly grease your pan. I got here a pan like this. All right, wanna know why I don't like baking? As you can see, I'm not that crazy accurate with my measurements, and that's probably why sometimes it doesn't work for me. Cooking, you just do it. Baking is more a precise game. The real bakers and pastry chefs or whatnot, they got it down to a science, and I respect them for it. I just don't have the time for it. Anyway, she's in, it'll settle. You're gonna throw this in the oven at 370 degrees for 35 minutes, but check on it at 30, poke it with a toothpick. You don't want this to dry out. It's a fudge brownie, it's gonna be a little moist. You're gonna think it's raw, you'll know if it's raw. A little bit of moisture and squishy, you want that. You don't want it dry, and you don't want it wet. So, fine line. 370 degrees Fahrenheit, roughly 30 to 35 minutes, depending on your oven. See you in a bit. Well, we're done. 34 minutes. There she is, a big piece of fudge brownie. Absolutely glorious. Make this recipe, let me know how it goes. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Thanks everyone for watching, hope you have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe.